Hello, welcome to DeepDownBooks. I am Lagertha. I want you to stop for a moment. Put down whatever you are holding. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Feel the tension leave your shoulders. Feel your mind become still, like a quiet lake. We are here in our sanctuary today to talk about a feeling you know very well. It is a feeling of frustration. You listen to English and you understand. You watch a movie and you follow the story. You listen to a podcast and you know the meaning. But then someone asks you a question. You open your mouth to speak and nothing. Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast. You feel like a bird that wants to fly but is trapped in a cage. If you feel this way, please listen to me. You are not alone. This is the most common problem in the world for English learners. And today, I am going to tell you exactly why it happens, and I am going to give you the keys to unlock that cage. In this session, I will speak with a slow, deep rhythm. This is for your soul and for your ears. You can use this for shadowing. Listen to my voice, repeat my words, and try to feel the emotion behind them. I am safe in this quiet space. I am ready to find my voice. My progress is slow but steady. I believe in my ability to speak. Part 1. The active versus passive mind. Why can you understand but not speak? It is because understanding and speaking live in two different rooms in your brain. Understanding is passive. You sit, you receive. Your brain is a sponge. But speaking is active. Speaking is a performance. When you speak, you must do many things at once. You must find the word. You must fix the grammar. You must use the right sound. You must find the rhythm. And you must do it all in 1 second. This is hard. Most learners spend 90% of their time being passive sponges. They read, they watch, they listen, but they never use their voice. You cannot learn to swim by reading a book about water. You cannot learn to cook by just watching a chef. You must get in the water. You must touch the fire. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth has muscles. Your lungs have a rhythm. Let us start training those muscles now. Speaking is a physical movement. I am training my mouth to move. I am moving from listening to doing. I am an active learner. Part 2. The 6 keys to freedom. Key 1. Perfection is a wall. The biggest reason you go blank is fear. You are afraid of making a mistake. You want your grammar to be perfect. But let me tell you a secret. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with perfection. Grammar is the polish on a car, but speaking is the engine. Start the engine now. Mistakes are my teachers. I choose to be understood, not perfect. I am brave enough to be wrong. Every mistake is a step forward. Key 2. The power of chunks. Stop learning single words. Words are like loose bricks. Chunks are like pre-made walls. A chunk is a group of words that always stay together. When you use chunks, your brain doesn't have to work. The phrase is already ready. To be honest with you, as far as I can tell, I was just about to say that. It's not the end of the world. I'll see what I can do. Key 3. The internal dialogue. You do not need a partner to practice English. You have yourself. Talk to yourself in the shower. Talk while you make your tea. Describe your life as it happens. I am making my coffee now. The morning air feels fresh. I am choosing my clothes for today. I feel calm and focused. Key 4. Use AI, your safe space. Use an AI assistant. It never gets tired. It never laughs. It is a safe practice field. Can we practice a short chat? Please speak slowly with me. How can I say this better? Thank you for practicing with me. Key 5. The 4-3-2 technique. Tell a story in 4 minutes, then 3, then 2. Repetition builds muscle memory. I am repeating to improve. My voice is becoming automatic. I feel the rhythm of my speech. Key 6. The elastic sentence. Take a small sentence and stretch it. I am happy becomes I am happy because I am learning. I am learning English. I am learning English slowly. I am learning English slowly and deeply. I am learning English because I love it. Part 3. The naming ritual. Immersive vocabulary. Now, let us walk through a house. We will look at objects and connect them directly to English sounds. No translation. Just the image and the word. The kitchen. The kettle is boiling. A silver spoon on the table. The wooden cutting board. A sharp knife in the drawer. Fresh bread on the counter. Cold milk in the fridge. The living room. A soft cushion on the sofa. The bright lamp in the corner. A thick book on the shelf. The heavy curtains are closed. A beautiful painting on the wall. The remote control on the rug. The bedroom. A warm blanket on the bed. My comfortable pillow. A large mirror on the door. The alarm clock on the nightstand. A pair of slippers on the floor. The wardrobe is full of clothes. Part 4. The mindful walk. Visual anchoring. Imagine we are walking outside now. The sun is setting. Feel the ground beneath your feet. The sky is turning purple. I see a bird flying home. The street lights are flickering on. A gentle breeze touches my face. The leaves are rustling in the wind. I hear the distant sound of cars. The air smells like rain. A cat is sitting on a stone wall. I am present in this moment. My mind is thinking in English. Part 5. Overcoming the wall of silence. When you are talking to someone and you forget a word, do not panic. Use these bridge phrases. They give you time to think. How can I put this? What I'm trying to say is, it's on the tip of my tongue. Let me think for a second. Anyway, as I was saying, Part 6. The final meditation on your voice. Close your eyes one last time. Think about the first day you started learning English. You knew nothing. Every sound was strange. But look at you now. You are here. You are breathing. You are speaking. You are part of a global community. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be you. Your voice is a gift. Your stories are unique. When you speak, you are sharing your soul with the world. Do not let fear hide that soul. I am proud of my progress. I am a speaker of English. My voice is clear and strong. I will keep going. Thank you for choosing DeepDownBooks. I am Lagertha. You have done a wonderful thing for your future today. Sleep well or have a beautiful day. Goodbye for now. We will speak again soon.